really cool. I've never been camping before. Me neither. It is really special. Well, me and Tyler have been camping, so we know all about it. In fact, let's go make stuff and build a campfire. Lily, come sit next to me. Okay, April. After you put all these rocks in the circle to make a fire pit, you throw your sticks in like this. Okay, boys, this isn't enough sticks. I need all three of you to go and collect more so we can have a really big fire. That sounds cool. You heard Ella. Let's go get some sticks. Come on. Ella, is this enough sticks? No, collect more. I'm going to have the most sticks. Look, Ella, I got the biggest one of them all. Good job. Tyler, how could you even hold that? Next one, you have to have a grown-up help you. Because we're going to light the sticks, and you don't want to burn yourself. Hey guys, later whenever we go out with flashlights, we need to sneak up on the girls and scare them and make them think there's like a mountain lion or something. Yeah, that sounds funny. Okay. Listen to the sounds of nature. It's so relaxing out there. Yeah, that's nature. It sounds pretty. That looks really yummy. Mom and Dad are making delicious hot dogs. Okay, guys, dinner's almost ready, and after dinner, we're gonna light the fire, okay? Okay. Because we're starving. Yeah, I'm hungry.
Okay, you guys finish eating, and then we're gonna go make our fire.
Yay! Mommy, these hot dogs are good. Yum, 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 yum. Good. Okay, so first we have to light the fire, and we're gonna have Mommy help us do that. We're gonna light this paper and throw it in. Come on, guys. Mama, light the napkin. Okay. See, guys, this is how you make a fire. See, Ella, this is cool. You're really smart. Yeah, I've been camping a lot. Ella, what do you do next? Well, we tell scary ghost stories, and we make s'mores, and we all sit around and eat the s'mores. Cool! Sissy, I'm so glad our first camping trip can be together. Me too, Lincoln. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Oh, brother. Okay, so then you hold your marshmallow by campfire like this. But it's so hot, Ella. I know. We're going to have Mommy help us. Is this, Ella? Is this good? Not as good as mine, but yeah, it's good. Wow! Look at it! That's so cool! It's on fire! No, Ella. I think mine's burnt. It's okay. They're also good that way. Yummy. I'm so full. I can't eat another bite. I know it's supposed to be delicious, but I don't really like it that much. I do. It's probably because you burnt it, Adam.
Hey girls, it's getting dark outside. You guys need to start thinking about coming in, okay?
Okay, Mommy. Wait, where did my brother go? It's really dark out here, and all these noises freak me out. Wait, I hear something. No, you like you scared of ghosts? Yeah, let's go. 3. Whoa!